Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by reducing what draws power. Do this now. Turn on airplane mode if you don't need online play, because wireless radios are top battery drains. Once done, lower screen brightness to about 50% or enable auto brightness to let the console adapt automatically. Make sure to set sleep time to 30 seconds and close any background apps. This trims CPU usage and prevents needless wake locks. These quick changes immediately extend runtime, so you can keep playing longer. Now refine power flow and hardware choices. Switch on power saving mode in system settings to reduce CPU frequency. This lowers frame rate but significantly saves battery. Next, disconnect extra controllers or Joy-Con grips. Each connected device uses energy, so remove peripherals when not in use to conserve power. Use an official USB-C charger or an 18W power bank. Stable, efficient charging keeps voltage steady and prevents wasted energy. Make sure to balance performance and run time depending on whether you prioritize battery life or graphics. Finish by adopting habits and adding accessories that matter. Carry a 20,000 mAh power bank and charge at 5V/3A when you can, because higher efficiency charging restores more runtime per minute. Turn off HD rumble and lower vibration intensity. These motors can drain significant power. If you still see fast drains, make sure to run a system update and calibrate the battery in settings. Corrupt saves or outdated firmware can cause unusual consumption. If problems persist, test without micro SD to isolate faults and seek service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.